So if we take the meaning will be मैं खुद.
मैं खुद.
Generally, we should not translate, but
Yes.
for explaining you, I'm translating. So think about it if you are saying myself, Manya. I know old people used to use it.
Yes.
Now it is I am Ashish. This is Ashish. My name is Ashish. It is good. It is better to tell
Okay.
you. Okay, restart.
Yeah. Hello, friends. This is Manya Advani before you, and today I'm going to deliver my third speech. This speech is based on simple present in singular number, and I choose my younger son of daily routine.
I choose. Uh, Manya, have I given this verb in your batch? No.
No, sir.
So, firstly, do you have writing
Yes, sir.
stuff? Do you know this word? Stuff.
No, sir. Stuff.
Stuff is a noun. Vastu, cheez, generally we say.
Stuff. Okay, sir.
Generally we say pack your all stuffs. So, what should be the verb for chunna?
So the verb for chunna should be choose.
And what should be the spelling?
The spelling should be CHOOSE.
And what should be the second form of choose?
The second form of choose should be choosed. And the third form of choose should be choosed.
This is the second form actually.
Choose.
Repeat. What should be the second form of choose?
The second form of choose should be choose. Choose.
Right
Yes.
on the screen.
Yes, sir.
And what should be the third form of choose?
The third form of choose should be chose. No, sir. Chosen.
Chosen actually.
Chosen.
You asked me this question.
So, what should be the third form of choose?
The third form of choose is chosen.
Chosen.
CHOSEN, chosen. I am speaking. Choosed. Google is not taking. Google is taking used.
Yes, sir.
So, Manya, firstly, let's have a little bit practice of this.
Okay, sir.
Manya, what do you choose? Golden ornaments or diamond ornaments?
Generally, I sir choose golden ornaments.
आप आमतौर पर क्या चुनती हैं? सोने के आभूषण या हीरे के आभूषण?
सर मैं वैसे आम तौर पर सोने के आभूषण चुनती हूँ.
You ask any random question to me with using first form.
Okay, sir. Sir, what do you choose, sweater or jacket?
Yes, if I'm if the cold is average, I choose sweater. But if the cold is biting cold, I choose jacket.
सर आप अ, क्या चूज करते हैं, जैकेट और स्वेटर?
जब ठंड ठीक ठाक रहती है तो मैं स्वेटर का चयन करता हूँ और जब ठंड एकदम कपकपाने वाली होती है तो फिर मैं जैकेट का चयन करता हूँ. One more question. What does Indian girl choose? Love marriage or arranged marriage?
Uh, Nowadays, actually, sir, Indian girl chooses arranged marriage.
भारतीय लड़की क्या चुनती है, प्रेम विवाह या सामाजिक विवाह? आई डोंट नो हिंदी.
सर भारतीय लड़की वैसे तो आजकल सामाजिक विवाह ही चलती है.
Okay. You also ask one question by using as yes.
ओके सर. um, my question, actually, I'm confused. I want to ask that what does your son choose, online classes or offline classes? Is it correct, sir?
It is correct. He chooses offline classes.
Yes.
He prefers offline classes.
Sir, should I complete the process?
Please, please, please. I'm waiting.
आप आपका सन क्या चाहते हैं, ऑफलाइन क्लास? सॉरी, आपका सन क्या चुनता है, ऑफलाइन क्लास और ऑनलाइन क्लास?
वो ऑफलाइन चुनता है. He is comfortable with offline. Ma'am, did you choose red one or blue one?
आई चूज ब्लू वन.
मैडम आपने कौन सा चुना था, लाल वाला कि नीला वाला?
मैंने नीला वाला चुना था.
Now you ask imaginary question.
So whom did you choose to deliver speech?
I firstly I chose Somya to deliver a speech, but my guessing was wrong. You were ready to deliver a speech first. You decided to deliver a speech first.
सर आपने स्पीच डिलीवर करने के लिए किसे चुना था?
मैंने पहले सौम्या को चुना था, लेकिन मेरा अनुमान गलत था. Sometimes I forget Hindi, but it will do, right?
यस सर.
Okay. Now we have used first form, we have used second form. Let's come to
थर्ड फॉर्म.
third form. Um, Manya, have you chosen all the accessories?
Yes, sir. I have chosen all the accessories.
मान्य क्या आपने सभी एसेसरीज का चयन कर लिया है?
हाँ सर, मैंने सारी एसेसरीज का चयन कर लिया है.
Now you ask me one sentence.
Sir, have you chosen the all books?
Have you chosen all the books?
Have you chosen all the books?
No, I have not chosen all the books. One or two are rest.
क्या आपने सारी किताबों का चयन कर लिया है?
नहीं मानना, मैंने अभी तक सारी किताबों का चयन नहीं किया है, एक दो शेष हैं. Madam, why are you choosing this one?
I'm choosing this one because it is my favorite color.
नाइस. मैडम, आप ये वाला क्यों चुन रही हैं?
मैं इसे इसलिए चुन रही हूँ क्योंकि ये मेरा फेवरेट कलर है. So why are you choosing this hat?
Nice question. See, Mr. Chopra, I'm choosing this hat because this is a multi-purpose hat. I can use in day, in sun, and at night also.
आप इस हैट को क्यों चुन रहे हैं?
Uh, बढ़िया सवाल है मिस्टर चोपड़ा. ये मल्टीपर्पस हैट है. इसको मैं दिन में भी लगा सकता हूँ और इसका प्रयोग मैं रात को भी कर सकता हूँ. That's why I'm choosing this one. Mane, you take much time to create imaginary sentences, right?
Yeah, sir.
So it is very good that whatever is going on will help you.
Yes.
Uh, uh, Poonam is your sister, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. She adopted this process. Actually, she has spent much time with the competitive guys, actually.
Yeah, sir. Actually, sir, as you told us that that 12, all the ladies are chit chat with each other continuously, and in our batch, we all are not so active.
So, how will you be active? This is the question.
Sir, actually, in all our batch, we all are not continue, especially from this season. We all are not
See,
continue. Before we all are Mehta man, Saket Bhaiya, we all are continue guys. Na?
do not count all. See, yesterday what happened? Nobody was ready to deliver a speech. I
Yes, sir.
refused. Then KK started,
Yes, sir.
and everybody was speaking. Last time the same thing happened,
Yes, sir.
and Poonam was speaking very good yesterday.
Yes, sir. I heard that. But
So don't count those people. Be in present. Suppose there are four guys. Don't think this should be him or this should be her. Or, no, no. There are four guys. Whoever, whoever
yes,
he
sir.
is or she is, वो जो भी है. So see, KK is new. with you all guys.
Yes, sir.
But he's not he was hesitating little bit, but
He's
he's
confident.
habit he's habitual. No, no, eh, I'm not talking about confidence here. Here the matter is that your mindset should be that you are in a spoken class and you should speak anything.
Yes, sir.
It is not that kind of class where the class starts when teacher enters.
And
This class can go on without me
yes, sir.
because this is not a class of physics, chemistry, botany, zoology that teacher will explain. This is the class of speaking. You can speak anything. You left yesterday in the middle.
Sir, I left yesterday because my husband and father-in-law came for the lunch, and after that, they over here, and that's why I could not join again.
Okay. Because this kind of opportunity, I must say, opportunity
Yes, sir.
is very good. Uh, Juhi ji was not speaking so much, but she was in the class till the end.
Yes, sir.
See, Manya, I am talking to you. You are getting me.
Yes, sir.
Whatever you are speaking, I am getting. Okay.
Yes.
You can see, you can listen. Mane, am I using any high-fi words?
No, sir.
I'm using very common words.
Yes,
And
sir.
notice one more thing. Am I using any other tense or chapter?
No, sir. I can
Means,
understand each and everything.
right. I'm not uh, breaking my flow.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
It means if you also want to speak complete English today, you can speak. But see, uh, these speeches are also really very important. As you were watching KK yesterday, or if you have seen any other senior, how many seniors delivered a speech in your batch, Manya?
Sir, only Renu they delivered speech in our batch. She was the senior in our batch only.
Okay.
Nobody else.
So I will invite some more senior, and you can notice one thing, Manya, that they are speaking because they followed everything, every instruction of mine. They delivered speeches time to time. They took part in discussion and they made imaginary sentences. Uh, See, when any new person joins this class, so firstly, he's shocked and he's not mentally actually prepared because he was in very old educational system
Yeah.
where firstly writing is necessary, then learning, mugging up, cramming is necessary, then performing. But in this class, no. Have I given you these verbs I have just used?
Yes, sir. Not properly in this session, but ma'am send us in verb list.
Okay. So uh, let's break this and let me give you a quick practice of mm, does this child cram everything?
Yes, this child craves everything.
क्या ये बच्चा हर कुछ रट लेता है?
हाँ, ये बच्चा हर चीज रट लेता है।
आई एम आस्किंग वन मोर हिंदी, क्या ये बच्चा हर चीज रटता है?
हाँ, ये बच्चा हर चीज रटता है।
बिकॉज यू नो मान्य, रट लेता है एक्चुअली साउंड्स कैन चैप्टर.
ओके।
Did she cram uh, three essays?
सॉरी सर, कम अगेन।
Did she cram three essays?
यस सर, शी crammed 3 H's।
क्या उसने तीन निबंध रट लिए?
हाँ, उसने 3 निबंध रट लिए।
Will they cram small paragraphs?
No, they will not cram small paragraph because they are habitual big paragraphs.
Very nice. Now you are trying to give big answer. That is good. क्या वे छोटे छोटे पैराग्राफ्स रटेंगे?
नो सर, वे छोटे पैराग्राफ नहीं रटेंगे क्योंकि उन्हें बड़े पैराग्राफ्स की आदत है।
Uh, are some of them cramming this shlok?
Yes, they they are cram. Sir, come again.
Yes, I was waiting for come again. Are some of them cramming this shlok?
Yes, they are cramming this shlok.
सी मान्या, इज एम आर आया तो या तो उसके बाद नाउन और एडजेक्टिव आएगा तो वो भी प्रेजेंट होगा, अन्यथा आईएनजी. इट इज वेरी सिंपल.
Yes, sir.
क्या उनमें से कुछ इस श्लोक को रट रहे हैं?
हाँ सर, उनमें से कुछ लोग इस श्लोक को रट रहे हैं।
Were the girls cramming folk song?
No, sir, girls are not cramming folk song.
Sorry.
The girls are not cramming folk song. Sir, come again.
Were the girls cramming folk song?
No, sir, the girls were not cramming the folk song.
क्या लड़कियां लोकगीत रट रही थी?
नहीं सर, लड़कियां लोकगीत नहीं रट रही थी।
What were they cramming?
Actually, sir, they were cramming uh, Bollywood songs.
वे क्या रट रही थी?
Sir, वे बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स रट रही थी।
Okay. Have all the students crammed this lesson?
No, sir, all of the students have not crammed this lesson because some of students were doing masti.
हम्म. क्या सभी बच्चों ने ये वाला लेसन रट लिया है?
नो सर, सभी बच्चों ने नहीं ये वाला लेसन नहीं रटा है क्योंकि कुछ बच्चे मस्ती कर रहे थे।
Now, I have given you a thorough practice of from present simple to present perfect.
So, what is the particular word for masti?
Have fun.
Have fun.
One more famous word, chill out.
Chill out. Okay. Yes, sir.
They were just chilling out. They were just having fun. Okay. I have used cram verb.
Yes, sir.
Now the synonym of this verb is mug up.
Mug.
M-U-G mug space U-P up. Mug up.
Yes.
Yes, Google has taken correct. So you start with present simple. And Manya, did you notice I changed the subject in every sentence?
Yes, sir.
You should also try to do this.
Okay, sir. Um, sir.
Yes, I'm here. Actually, I'm going upstairs to take water. That's why I shut
Okay.
down my camera.
Okay, sir.
You can ask.
Does he mug up this poem?
No, Manya. He never mucks up this poem and he fails.
क्या वो इस पोम को रटता है?
नहीं मान्या वो इस पोयम को कभी नहीं रटता है और असफल हो जाता है, फेल हो जाता है.
Um, did did she mug up? Did she mug up this cartoon channel story?
Yes, she mugged up this story completely.
क्या उसने इस कार्टून चैनल की स्टोरी रट ली?
हाँ मान्या उसने इस कार्टून चैनल की स्टोरी पूरी तरह रट ली.
Sir, will all the teachers mug up lessons?
No Manya, all the teachers will not mug up. Only junior teachers will mug up all the lessons because seniors are expert, you know.
Yeah.
Manya, complete the process first.
Yes, sir. क्या सारे टीचर्स ये लेसन रट लेंगे?
नहीं मान्या केवल जूनियर टीचर्स इन लेसन्स को रटेंगे क्योंकि सीनियर्स तो एक्सपर्ट हैं ही.
Sir, are we mugging up this chapter?
No, actually we are not mugging up this chapter. We are just comprehending.
सर, क्या हम सब ये चैप्टर रट रहे हैं?
दरअसल हम ये चैप्टर रट नहीं रहे हैं, हम इसको आत्मसात कर रहे हैं।
Were the policemen mugging up all the rules?
Yes, they were mugging up because they are rung route, that is new admission. And rung route is English word Google has taken.
Yes, sir. I don't know the meaning of rung route.
Actually, I don't know. I also don't know. Uh, in police and in army, they use this word. I heard so many times in serials and here and there. But I'm surprised first time Google has actually given the spelling, so I'm also surprised.
Okay, sir. So I will search in Google today.
Uh, new soldier or new admission is Rangoon.
Okay.
Search it, Google it and share it.
Yeah, sir, sure.
Next
क्या
question.
सारे पुलिसमैन सारे रूल्स रट रहे हैं?
Sorry, you were asking past continuous.
यस सर. क्या पुलिसमैन सारे रूल्स रट रहे थे?
नहीं, वो जो नए पुलिस वाले नई भर्ती है वो बस सारे रूल रट रहे थे।
एंड have this boy mugged up all book?
No, Manya, mugging up all the books is not possible, but this boy has tried to mug up as much as possible.
क्या उस लड़के ने ये सारी बुक रट ली है?
नहीं मान्य, सारी किताबें रटना तो संभव नहीं है, लेकिन उस लड़के ने जितना अधिक से अधिक हो सकता था उतना रट लिया। Here we have used cram verb and mug up verb.
यस सर.
And I think you will never forget this.
नो सर, आई विल नॉट.
And I am suggesting you one more thing. While the presence of Juhi ji, Manya, Sonika, Keki and all,
यस सर.
uh, try to use these words and I think they will automatically come out of your tongue.
यस सर.
Okay, so now tell me, let's start your routine. Speak first sentence, I will make question.
ओके सर. um, uh, today sir, after these two lines na.
Uh, please speak first line of routine.
Okay sir. um, my younger son's name is Ayush. He generally he wakes up at 8 a.m. But
Just a
nowadays,
minute. What time does your son generally wake up?
actually generally he wakes up at 8 a.m. in the morning.
And nowadays, what time is he waking up?
Actually nowadays he is having his winter vacation, so he is waking up around 9 or 9:30.
Okay. After waking up, what does he do?
So actually, you know what? After waking up, just he when I make him wake up, when he woke up, he looks
Just a
beside
minute,
him.
just a minute, just a minute. A very beautiful thing is here. Speak with me. Manya, the verb for jagna is wake up, and the verb for jagna is get up.
Yes, sir.
But there is no verb for jagana.
Yes, sir.
Neither I have given nor you will find.
Yes, sir.
So there is one uh, text in English. I wake him up.
Okay,
This is called
wake him.
yes, phrasal verb. See, Mane, I'm telling you, uh, दो या दो से अधिक शब्दों से मिलकर बनी क्रिया को फ्रेजल वर्ब कहते हैं.
Okay.
What is phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is uh, a verb which is made by more than
Two
one
verbs.
letter. There can be two letters, there can be three letters, and generally the first letter is a verb, and second can be preposition or noun or adjective, anything. So there is one very beautiful rule of grammar. When we want to use this kind of verb, we put object in between both the words. तो
Okay, sir.
मान्य सबसे पहले तुम 3 से 4 सेंटेंस ऑब्जेक्ट बदल बदल के बनाओ. घर के जितने सदस्यों को है सबको एक एक करके जगाओ. तो मतलब
Okay.
तुम्हें सेंटेंस ऐसा बनाना है कि पहले मैं इसको जगाती हूँ, फिर इनको जगाती हूँ, फिर उनको. भले ही नहीं जगाती हो, 3 4 सेंटेंस बनाओ.
Okay, sir. Firstly, I wake. I सर मैं अपने हस्बैंड को जगाती हूँ कैसे बोलेंगे आई वेक हिम अप आई वेक माय
अब देखो
हस्बैंड
जो
अप
यस एब्सोल्युटली राइट. ऑब्जेक्ट इज योर हस्बैंड.
या
ओके.
आई फर्स्टली आई वेक माय हस्बैंड अप thereafter I wake my younger son up then I wake my elder son up then I wake myself up
Right. That is nice sentence. And grammatically it is correct. Absolutely correct.
Uh, and sir, actually, my father-in-law wakes me up um, by 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 the calling, and
Okay, okay.
my mother-in-law wake up herself,
My mother-in-law wakes up.
wakes up. Yeah, sir. Mother-in-law wakes up herself.
You know, this is very beautiful use of herself. You have used very nicely, and it is correct. Okay, so you have made 3 to 4 sentences, and tomorrow try to put in the speech
Yes, sir.
and deliberately do one thing. Um, use this pattern 2 to 3 times, like
Okay.
today you have used.
Okay, sir.
पहले मैं अपने हस्बैंड को उठाती हूँ, फिर बच्चे को उठाती हूँ, फिर छोटे बच्चे को, blah blah blah. It will be nice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so later on, what do you do?
Sir, wake my younger sons up. Thereafter, he looks beside him.
You said sons?
Yes, sir. Son,
No.
younger son.
Yes. Correct.
I wake my younger son up.
Correct.
I wake my younger son up. Thereafter, he looks beside him just to watch his brother, elder brother. If
Hmm.
if he is not there, so he wakes up by the jump, and he does hit brush. He does brush his teeth. He
Does
brushes his
it?
teeth.
Yes.
He brushes his teeth very fast and goes downstairs to towards his brother, and then he takes his. Sir, here's a question. He have has milk, na? He has milk.
Yes, actually, what happens? Maximum students make mistake here. So while declaring their results, I mention this thing and I give a little practice to all the students. अब हैव में तो एस लगा हुआ आज तक कभी ना देखा हूं ना
नहीं, yes, sir.
तो अब मैं इसको ऐसा बोल देता हूँ कि मैंने आपको कुछ दिन पहले सिखाया था कि दुनिया भर की सारी क्रियाएं बहुवचन होती है
Yes,
पैदा
sir.
होती है तो अब मैं इसको ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ मैंने झूठ बोला था एक्चुअली ये मजाक कर लिया हमने वास्तव में हर नियम के कुछ अपवाद होते हैं अंग्रेजियों के उसमें
Yes, sir.
तो हैज नाम की जो क्रिया है वो एक वचन होती है
Yes, sir.
तो अगर हमें प्रेजेंट सिंपल का प्रयोग करना है तो या तो हमें वहां पे टेक वर्ब ले लेना चाहिए जहां हम हैव रखने जा रहे हैं
Okay, sir.
इंग्लिश मीडियम गाइस यूज दिस टेक्निक तो he takes milk she
Milk.
takes tea my husband takes nibu pani so take is very good for putting s
Yes.
otherwise you can use has, but has does not look good.
Yes.
Takes look good.
Takes. Yeah.
Hmm.
He takes milk along his brother, and while taking milk, he he mugs up with each other. He mugs up with his brother.
This is transitive verb. What? What does he mug up? सकर्मक क्रिया है तो क्या रटता है वो बताना पड़ेगा
Sorry, sir, mug up बोल रही हूँ sir. Have fun actually. Sir, while taking milk, he have fun.
अब
He
दो तरीके हैं या तो हम यहाँ
he
सब्जेक्ट
chills
बदल
out. Sir, he
नहीं
chills out बोलेंगे ना?
ऐसी स्थिति में हमें यहाँ सब्जेक्ट बदल देना चाहिए while
They
taking milk they have fun
they have fun.
this is technique
While taking milk, they have fun, and thereafter, thereafter he comes back to upstairs and to attend his online classes. His online classes time is 9 to 12. At 10:30, he has a break, and then he,
यहाँ पे भी टेक लगाओ बड़ा खूबसूरत लगेगा
yes, sir. Then he takes his breakfast, and while breakfast, he watches television, sometimes cartoon or sometimes serial. Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma he loves more. Then after 12, my elder son has 15 minutes breaks again. So again they have fun together for 15 minutes.
अब यहाँ जैसे अपने को टेक लगाना है और टेक 2 3 4 बार यूज हो गया वन तो इसमें अपन एक बड़ा अच्छी टेक्निक लगाते हैं. देन दे एंजॉय 15 मिनट्स ब्रेक.
Okay, sir.
टेक
Then they
हिसाब से करें,
enjoy.
लेकिन लगातार एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार, चार बार टेक आ गया तो अपन उसको रिप्लेस करके उससे आसपास मिलती हुई वर्ब रख दें.
Yes, sir. Then they enjoy again 15 minutes break. Thereafter, he takes his bath, and after taking bath, he loves to take salad and fruit, and he takes his salad and fruit along along the along the phone. Actually, he enjoys his fruits and salad with game in phone, and
Manya, I'm stopping you here. It is 6 o'clock, so
okay, sir.
we should stop it here.
Yeah, sir.
We have had a very good, we have utilized the time nicely, properly,
Yeah,
and
sir.
you have, in this pretense, you have got some new things.
New things. Yeah, sure.
You can now prepare your speech better. तो इससे दो
Actually,
फायदे
sir,
हैं. अगर हम आज
when I'm preparing na, sir, so I got confused. That's why I leave it. Then randomly I'll give, because
अब आज
it's
अगर हम पूरी सुन लेंगे मान्य, तो कल फिर हमें मजा नहीं आएगा. कुछ तो
yes,
थोड़ा सा
sir,
पार्ट
actually.
उसमें होना चाहिए. और time is also, we have
Yes,
taken 1 hour is enough. So,
yes, sir.
so we are concluding it here. Bye.
Okay.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you,